Ще одне оголошення для всіх. В залі є волонтери, які можуть перекласти.
I'm looking for security, but I did at some point moving, roofing, and currently I'm working for the kitchen.
Igor Kovtun has been in Canada for 10 months. He, along with over 1,000 other Ukrainians in Edmonton, new to Canada, are being helped to find work by local employers and those in the local Ukrainian community. Kovtun tells me with family back home in Ukraine, he's looking to find work so he can bring them here to start a new life.
It's every day. If I have an opportunity to call them, I do it, yeah. I like Canada, and I want to build my fundament here. Yeah, and step by step, I want to grow up here.
Edmonton's local chapter of the Ukrainian Canadian Congress hosting the job fair, helping to connect newcomers with employers, offering assistance with translation, working papers, and resumes. Telling me while they initially expected around 300 to 400 people to sign up, over 1,000 Ukrainian newcomers have registered for the job fair. Some at the job fair, Edmontonians sponsoring Ukrainian families fleeing war. Julian Langauer and his wife sponsored a young Ukrainian woman fleeing war, providing a house, and say just yesterday the woman was able to reunite with her family after they moved to Edmonton. Langauer overwhelmed seeing the community response.
It'll make our country so much better, and just that people have, I mean, we have so much opportunity, so much space here, and it is great to see. This is just my chance to, getting emotional, getting my chance to pay back.
The job fair runs until the 11th. Reporting from Edmonton, Darcy Ropchan, City News.